Hi Stamper, today I'm going to show you how to do this background here, and at the same time I'm going to show you how to do, this is just emboss and chalk on top of it, so it's not much to it, but I'm going to show you how to do this three. So we're going to get started because I know I just got a few minutes. I prepare my card over here, so this is regular size, 5.25 by 4.25. Then my layer here, it's 5.25 by 4. And then for my next layer, I did 5 1/8. I think, yeah, 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Now you have to find the middle of your card. So the middle would be 1 15/16. So 1 15/16, that's your middle. You want to cut yourself a square, the size, exactly the size of what is the middle of your card. Doesn't matter what it is, you just find the middle and cut yourself a square. After you get your square, cut it diagonal. You're going to take this, put it in your corner, and you could just fold it right in half diagonal. I'm never lucky at that. It's way off. So this way for me worked the best. And after I get this, you take your score, you put that where it's going to score here, score there, turn it around, and score over here. And you're going to do both ends like that. I pre-done the other end to speed up the process here. Just peel that up. I just put temporary tape on that. After you get this, again, I'm going to use temporary tape. Put that there, put that there. It makes it easier when I put it in the crimper. I'm going to take this, fold this, reinforce that, and over here, reinforce that. Then you're going to take your crimper, and you're going to put this in your crimper. I don't know if you see, I put my mouth there to get it going. And the reason why I told you the temporary tape, because when it gets here, if it's not, it keep on popping and it's hard to hold. And here we go. So now you're going to have the look. See, it go all this way, but when you open it up, ta-da! So where you put the temporary tape, instead of rubbing it off, that's going to be the back of it. So it don't matter at all. After you get this, then I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going fast here because I want to make sure I get enough time. First thing you're going to do, I get Lovely as a Tree. I'm going to stamp it with craft ink, the white one. Make sure you get plenty on your stamp. And I'm going to go diagonal. If you hear a rumble, it's not me, it's my daughter taking the video. People must think I don't feed her. Okay, now that you get the white, I'm going to take my chalk. Here we go. And then I'm going to take a sponge. I don't have a sponge. You know what? I'd rather have a dauber. Here we go. I'm going to take my dauber here, and I'm going to add some color. And you want your color to be bright because we're going to emboss on top of that here in a little bit. So I'm going to put plenty of yellow and then orange. This is going to be very fallish color. Then I'm going to use some red. I pretty much took off my yellow there. Then I'm going to add a bit of green. It looked like we lost the tree, but it won't be long. We're going to have back here. I just add a bit of brown. Okay, after you've done that, we're going to take the same stamp. I'm going to wash it quick. Here we go. Then what you're going to use is Versamart. You're going to take your Versamart and then you could use your Stampin' jig to line it up, or you can just go ahead. You want a shadow. Ta-da! See the color gonna show even better. Now what I'm gonna do is put clear embossing powder on it. Even if you get some white to stain showing, that's okay. Don't worry about that. It's just going to give it a little bit more character. Okay, and then we're going to emboss this. And when you emboss, the minute you're going to see it shining like this, move it around. Last week I had a class and some people like to keep it longer, and then especially when it's white paper, you're going to get the brown paper even if. Here we go. That's done. Then I did my layers here. I'm going to put this on. And then this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my old punch and punch right here. Oh, I didn't want this big one, but that's the one I grabbed. I didn't think it was this big one, but that's okay. Then I took my satin ribbon. You're going to pass it through. It won't show when I pass my ribbon. That's a good thing. Pass it there, and then you're going to take this, put your glue on it. Here we go, and then put glue in the back of this. My ribbon should be flat in the back because then it's going to be a lot easier. Here we go. Put some ribbon here too. Put this here. Ooh, I like the look of this. Then take your ribbon, put it in the back. This, and then again your glue. The other one that I show you, I had put little brads here. You can add whatever you want on it. This would be a lovely Thanksgiving card. Then my ribbon here, I should have paid attention before I glue it. I'm going to fix it after the movie, but here we go. I hope you learned something. Till next time, happy stamping!